Hello everyone. Today I'll be discussing my project focused on solving climate change through the use of machine learning. This is a broad and critical issue that affects every part of our world. So I've chosen to narrow down the problem to a more manageable and specific aspect that we can address using AI. To begin, let's define the problem. The specific challenge I have selected within the broader climate change issue is reducing household energy consumption through personalized recommendations. The key task here is to identify patterns in household energy usage and provide actionable insights and recommendations that can help reduce energy consumption without significantly impacting the user's lifestyle. Upon performing a basic task analysis, I found that current approaches to energy reduction often rely on generalized advice that fails to account for individual behaviors and preferences. Users might receive recommendations that are either too difficult to implement or irrelevant to their specific situation, leading to low adoption rates. To simplify the task flow and improve the user experience, I propose a solution that uses machine learning to analyze each household's energy usage patterns and deliver personalized recommendations. By tailoring advice to the user's specific circumstances, we can make it easier for them to take action, ultimately driving greater energy savings. Now let's discuss the user experience design for the solution. Users will interact with the system through a mobile app. After connecting their energy usage data, they will receive daily or weekly recommendations on how to reduce consumption. These recommendations will be easy to understand and act upon, ensuring that users can make meaningful changes without needing to overhaul their daily routines. Users will provide data such as their energy usage history, appliance types, and daily routines. Feedback loops will be built into the system, where users can report back on the effectiveness of the recommendations, allowing the model to continuously improve. We will ensure transparency by providing users with a clear explanation of how their data is being used to generate recommendations. This could include a dashboard that shows which factors are influencing the recommendations and how changes in behavior are impacting energy savings. We recognize that AI predictions can have varying levels of certainty. The app will communicate uncertainty by flagging recommendations that are more experimental or less certain, helping users make informed decisions about which suggestions to follow. Next, let's address privacy concerns. Given the sensitive nature of energy usage data, privacy is a critical consideration. The data we collect will include details about users' daily habits and home environments, which could potentially reveal personal information. To address these concerns, all data will be anonymized and encrypted. We will also provide users with full control over their data, allowing them to opt out at any time or review what data is being collected. The applicable privacy laws for this product would include GDPR for users in the European Union and CCPA for users in California. These laws require us to ensure that user data is collected transparently, securely stored, and only used for the purposes agreed upon by the user. We will implement strict data handling protocols to comply with these regulations, including obtaining explicit consent before collecting any data and providing clear options for data deletion. Finally, let's talk about ethical considerations. Potential sources of bias in this model could stem from the data itself. For instance, households with different socio-economic backgrounds or from different regions may have distinct energy usage patterns, and the model might inadvertently favor one group over another. To meet the goals of ethical AI fairness, accountability, and transparency, we'll take several steps. We will test the model across diverse datasets to ensure it provides equitable recommendations to all users, regardless of their background or location. We'll set up a process where any negative outcomes or discrepancies in recommendations can be reported by users and addressed by our team. This will include regular audits of the system's performances and biases. Finally, we will be transparent about how the AI model works, how it was trained, and how it makes decisions. Users will be able to see and understand the logic behind the recommendations they receive, which will help build trust in the system. In conclusion, by leveraging machine learning in a careful and considered manner, we can provide users with the tools they need to reduce their energy consumption, contributing to the fight against climate change. Our approach prioritizes user experience, privacy, and ethical AI principles, ensuring the solution is not only effective but also trustworthy and fair. Thank you for your attention, and I look forward to any feedback you might have.